Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy your international student ID with ISIC, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy your international student ID with ISIC, start by visiting the official ISIC website. Locate the Get Your ISIC Card section on the homepage. Click on the link to access the application form. Fill in your personal information accurately, including your name, date of birth, and email address. Provide details about your educational institution. Make sure to upload a valid proof of student status. This may include documents like your acceptance letter, student ID, or enrollment confirmation. Select the type of ISIC card that suits your needs. Review the payment options available and choose the one that works best for you. Complete the payment process as prompted. Once your application is submitted, check your email for confirmation. Keep an eye out for any additional steps or requests for information. After processing, you will receive your ISIC card either digitally or physically. When you receive your card, ensure that all information is correct. If there are any issues, contact ISIC customer support for assistance. Start using your ISIC card to enjoy numerous discounts and benefits globally. Remember to always carry your ISIC card while traveling or studying abroad. Stay informed about new benefits and discounts by visiting the ISIC website regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.